This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford car key. First, identify the specific problem, whether it's a dead battery, physical damage, or a programming issue. Next, determine your key type. Is it a simple remote, a transponder key, or a combination? Finally, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement battery, often a CR2032. This preparation ensures a smooth repair process. Replacing the battery is often the simplest fix. Carefully pry open your key fob using a small, flathead screwdriver, being gentle to avoid damage. Observe the existing battery type and its orientation. Most Ford key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell. Remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the original. Snap the fob back together and test its functionality. If a new battery doesn't work, reprogramming might be necessary. Many Ford models allow for a simple DIY reprogramming sequence, often involving specific ignition turns and button presses. Also, inspect the key fob's internal components for physical damage, such as broken buttons or a cracked circuit board. For more complex internal issues, or if DIY reprogramming fails, professional assistance is recommended to avoid further damage. Sometimes, the problem is beyond a simple fix. If your key fob has significant internal damage, or if you suspect an issue with your car's Immobilizer system, it's best to consult a professional. A certified automotive locksmith or Ford dealership can diagnose complex electrical problems, cut new keys, and program them correctly. They have specialized tools and expertise. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.